Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Dunkin' Donuts coffee colada, okay? My way. Alright, and I'm not going to go and pay $3 for it either, alright? So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get started making the coffee colada, a Dunkin' Donuts coffee colada, okay? So I'm working with the Ninja, okay? This is my latest tool for the kitchen. And you can puree items with this. You can make frozen drinks. You can make bread dough, pizza dough. You can also use it as a blender. There's other parts that came with it. Okay, so today I'm going to use you get two of these. This is to make your smoothies with or your coladas with. Alright, so with this, after you blend it up, this is the blender pot. And you put it on here and that'll break down the ice and fruit and that sort of thing. Then they give you this cover that you can use. You can take this off, put this on, and your straw through here, and you have one container that takes care of everything. Okay, all right, so let's get started. I'm gonna put some ice in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6 cubes is plenty. Alright, so let's put the rest of our items in here. And oh, by the way, this says maximum liquid. That means you should not put the liquid past this line here, okay? Alright, so you gotta perk your coffee first. I usually perk mine at night and I put it in a container. This is mine right here. And I put it in the refrigerator so it's cold. Because you know, that's what Dunkin' Donuts do. They usually save any coffee that, you know, is old or leftover, and they put it in a container. And that's what you get with your iced coffee or your colada, okay? So we're going to pour that in. There's no certain amount. This says I have 12 fluid ounces right here. With the ice, 12 fluid ounces, okay? Alright, so we have our perk coffee in there. Now we want to put, I'm using instant coffee because what they do is they give it a shot of coffee flavoring. And I couldn't find that, but what I figured out is they're just adding more coffee so that when the ice mix up with it, it doesn't water down and it tastes like coffee. So that's what I'm going to do with the instant coffee here. I'm going to put a tablespoon worth in here. A heaping tablespoon. Alright. 1 heaping tablespoon of instant coffee. Any kind you like. Alright. Now we're going to add some honey. I usually do about 2 tablespoons of honey. Give or take. And I like Bailey's French vanilla cream. Now you can use whatever cream you like, or canned milk, or whatever you use, alright? So I'm going to pour that in there. I pour it until I see the color. When I see the color is kind of light throughout the whole container, I think I'm good. Okay, so that's my model. Alright, so now we have all our ingredients in there. We're going to put the blender pot on. Screw it down very tight. Give it an extra twist. Okay, I think that's tight. Now there's some notches here. You want to put this notch to the notch on the Ninja. Alright? Alright, let's go. So I turned it upside down. I put the notches where the notch went on the Ninja. Then you're going to twist it to the right. Hear that click? I'm going to do it again. Twist it to the right. Hear that click? Okay, so I'm going to hit the button that says smoothies Frozen drinks, it says. I'm gonna hit frozen drinks, and then I'm gonna hit start. Okay, the number went up to 28. That's what I usually stop blending it. Let's see, if you can shake it like this, you're good. You're gonna see some ice crystals in here. That's what you want. Okay. Now, let's see. So you know how they ask you. They say, do you want whipped cream? So we're going to say, yes, we want whipped cream. So I have whipped cream here, all right? Let's put it in. Oh, wow. Look at that, huh? Beautiful, right? See that?